Hi, everyone, and welcome to Voice of Crypto's daily live session where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web3. And in today's session, we are, of course, going to be taking a look at some of the top cryptocurrencies, their price action, which has been rather intense in the last one day or so. That plus a lot more. But before we start, I have a quick few updates for anyone who's joining afresh. The first one being that if you haven't already subscribed to Voice of Crypto's Telegram community, and WhatsApp community. Make sure that you do the same. In addition to that, we are present on all the various social media platforms that come in your mind, including LinkedIn, YouTube, X, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, Binance Live and Binance Feed. So make sure that you guys follow Voice of Crypto on all of these various platforms to stay on top of crypto, Web3, and blockchain news, updates, and alpha. That said, without further ado, we will take a deep dive into crypto price action for the day, which has been rather intense. In fact, a quick look at Bitcoin's price action suggests that there has been quite a major uptick in BTC volumes and Bitcoin price as well as Bitcoin market cap, and that all in all has led to a rise in the global crypto market cap as well by over 3.45% in the last one day. The currently the global crypto market cap stands at 2.33 trillion US dollar. The total market volumes in the last 24 hours have managed to cross 190 billion, a staggering 190 billion US dollar, up by close to 60% in the last one day or so. DeFi volumes made about just over 6% of the market's 24-hour volume, and stablecoins made 90% of the 24-hour volume in the crypto market. Bitcoin, as we can clearly see, has blasted above the 62K US dollar mark. In fact, after closely touching the 64K US dollar mark, Bitcoin made its way back to the 59 briefly, and now it's back to the 63, close to 63K US dollar mark. And on the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin is up by 22%. Ethereum closely following Bitcoin, but not managing to clock as many gains as BTC. And I would like to reiterate that Bitcoin gains at the moment can, for a lot of reasons, be attributed to the pre halving hype. We are expecting the halving to take place in 51 days. So, as we are about 50 days away from the halving event, there's of course a lot of euphoria and a lot of FOMO driven trading and investment that's happening. But in addition to that, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is closer to its all time high than it is to its last price low. So there are quite a few chances of BTC hitting that all time high price soon enough. In fact, a lot of analysts are expecting that to happen by the end of March. We at Voice of Crypto have also done a detailed analysis on whether BTC price is going to touch 100K by March end. If you want to know more about it and what we've covered there, do check out voiceofcrypto.online. That's our website. Moving on, altcoins look pretty tight as well, especially with Bitcoin rallying. And Solana, I remember saying sometime last week when Solana was closer to the 100 US dollar mark that it's a great buy around the 100 US dollar mark at the moment. And currently, we can see that Solana has also gained close to 25% on the weekly. XRP has gained over 11 on the weekly. Same for Cardano, gaining over 17. Dogecoin, however, is the top gainer in the top 10 by market cap. Uh, Dogecoin has rallied by over 30% on the daily, over 55% on the weekly. And of course, the list of top gainers goes on, but I would definitely draw everyone's attention towards meme coins because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have been charting those those high green candles, and that is something worth noticing. In fact, if we take a look at the market today and the top gainers in the market today, we can clearly see that the race is being led by Bonk. Bonk is now a close competitor to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, also one of the bigger meme coins in the market. At the moment, we can see Bonk gaining over 56 on the daily, over 100 105 on the weekly. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu both gaining over 30% on the daily price window. So all in all, quite a good day, quite a good day for meme coins at large. And straight after these meme coins, we have Arviv and Solana, as well as a few other altcoins that are managing to make the cut in terms of gains. But um, a real quick look at some of the top losers, because in a bull market, altcoins that are essentially testing or retesting their lower support levels can usually provide for a great buy in the short term. And here we can see that WorldCoin, which is one of the top gainers a week ago, if I'm not wrong, as well as Singularity's AGX token, which is also one of the biggest gainers in the last couple of weeks. These have noted quite a bit of fall, largely due to price action saturating, and RSI for these coins is definitely in the overbought zone, which led to these coins' price action sort of lowering at the moment. So all in all, from the crypto market, a lot of cheer, a lot of glimmer as price action sort of continues to make investors happy. But in terms of news, another great indicator of a bull market coming in is when a lot of exchanges start to work on their wallets. And another such news came in from Coinbase, where Coinbase adds smart wallet feature. So lengthy seed phrases aren't needed anymore. The smart wallet will sort of be an addition to Coinbase Wallet SDK, and the embedded wallets feature will be provided by Wallet as a Service. In another news, IOTA's ecosystem foundation has committed 10 million for tokenization and trade setups. The investments are set to be focused on startups in the UAE and Africa. So, however, on the news of all of this happening and the fund being dedicated, IOTA saw an over 40% rise. So, clearly, good days are coming in for IOTA alongside the larger crypto market. And with that, we'll wrap today's session up. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay crypto curious, and we'll be joining you tomorrow with a really interesting session with the Bit Blonde, that is Hemily, and we're going to be doing a weekend wrap session with Hemily, where we're going to be talking about price action, and specifically Bitcoin price action, because Bitcoin deserves all the attention at the moment, and that's something that all of us can agree upon. So, thanks a lot for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow with fresh updates from the crypto, blockchain, and Web3 market. Bye bye, and stay crypto curious.